If you have big nash, come. If you have flat tummy, come. If you have big breast, come. If you are pretty, like come.
Your facial expression, if you count that one day, then some hippie hips. You know hippie hips?
Unless you tell me.
The hips are hippie. A hippie, you know, like a hoppy.
My name is Rafat GH. Can you tell me who you are, what do you do, and where you from?
Okay, I'm Odasanyi. Yeah, ideally I'm from Takrade, but currently I'm in Accra here. Yeah, I'm in my final year. Yeah, I offered or I'm offering nutrition with biochemistry. Yes.
So, what about you?
Okay, so I'm Huncho. Right now, I'm at the base, Takrade. Alright, this Ade Accra here. So I study nutrition alongside biochemistry too. That's all.
Yeah, guys, I'm here with the Tardis. I don't know whether you guys know this Tardis. If you want the biggest YouTuber in Africa, he's from Tardis land. That is Wondemaya. So if this is your first time of hearing the name, check Wondemaya YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to him, and don't forget to subscribe to me too. Okay, I want to know what makes you attract to a lady.
Okay, big nash, flat tummy, pretty face, nice skin. Yeah.
What makes you attract to a lady?
Charlie. Okay, first, your facial expression. If you count that one day, then some hippie hips. You know hippie hips?
Unless you tell me.
The hips are hippie. A hippie, you know, like a hoppy. So I mean, first of all is the face. That's all. That's all. If you are beautiful from the face, nyash then stuff. So it will come. It will come later. But if you are fine for the face, I don't have a problem with you. That's all.
Let me know in the comment section what makes you attract to a lady, and don't forget to like the video. Will you allow your best female friend to have a male friend?
My best female friend. Oh yes, because you are not my girl. My girlfriend, they are fine, but best friend, yeah, Charlie. You can have as many friends as you have.
So, will you allow your girlfriend to have a female friend,
Oh yes, why not?
a male friend?
Oh yes, but the number should be less. The number is what counts. You shouldn't be plenty. Like only you every day. Be my male friend. My no. At least the number should be manageable. Yes.
So, will you allow your girlfriend to have your best girlfriend or to have a male friend,
Male friend or male best friend?
male best friend?
Male best friend. It's either offer me and I say offer no. So I'm your best friend. I'm your father. I'm your mother. I'm your elder brother sister. I'm your everything. So I'm your bestie. I'm your everything. So if you have me as your boyfriend, then Charlie, why go get a bestie? No. Enfao.
Do you have any social media handles you want to share out?
Yeah. Underscore Daseni on Snap, on Twitter. Yes, everywhere. Underscore Daseni on IG. Underscore Daseni. Yes.
So, are the girl free to DM?
Oh yes, why not? Come to my DM, Charlie. Come, make them come. In fact, come.
In fact, come. In fact, the beautiful one and the and
They should come. If you have big nash, come. If you have flat tummy, come. If you have big breast, come. If you are pretty, like come.
do you have any social media handles you want to share out?
Yeah. I'm actually on Snap and Twitter. So my Snap handle is HUN34CHO. So Han34 CHO. So I don't know how you call it, either Chu or Cha. I don't know. And also Twitter to Hanchu. That's all.
So, are the girls free to DM?
Let me be practical with this case. Me human kasa. Sir, to uwe nufu na se woni me fa mesrew 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 member high because me menka high body no make please go back go back no so say but if you're having that cute face who need to only way back come come so mine is selective video Bob.
So are you qualified per their description? So if you are qualified, you are free to DM. I want to say thanks for.
I have money. Yes, I have money, so you can come. If you want to come and chop money, come. I have money.
That is the money naira. Eh?
Yes.
Okay.
This paper, Mr. Minisika. Because I need girls way get more money. So you guys go feed me. Yeah. Is that them brands say you trouble? We say, boys, and if you say feeding, say, Miska, more sir.
So only the bees are free to DM.
No case. The bees. One them on a awful no. Almost go. When we are low. Miska member DM cry, Mr. Nyame pa ocha waka say broke versus broke say you go baby to Mr. Abuame ai Abuame Mr. Abuame that's
Broke plus broke, that will be dead. Eh?
dead.
Charlie, if you have watched the video to this end, don't forget to subscribe to be part of this awesome family and like the video, man. I say it until I see you on the next episode. Peace.